Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys, my old and my new subscribers. You are highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make a homemade face serum. This serum is very effective and good for all skin. It will leave your face smooth and glowy. Please, if you are watching me and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please and please kindly do so now. Click on the subscribe button, the red button down there. Click on it right now, and also don't forget the bell icon beside it, because that's what will notify you whenever I upload new videos. If you don't click on the bell icon, you will not be notified. You will not know and see my new videos. So please remember to click on the notification bell. Thank you. For this face serum, I'll be needing aloe vera gel, also sweet almond oil. I will also be needing rose water, glycerine, pure glycerine, my storage container, my storage bottle. This is where I'll be storing my serum, a funnel for easy pouring, my mixing bowl and spoon. Here is a teaspoon. So now let's get into the mixing. Here I have my aloe vera gel. I take 1 teaspoon of that. Okay. And my sweet almond oil. Half a teaspoon of the sweet almond oil. Just half a teaspoon is okay. And now glycerine. I take half a teaspoon of that too. Okay. Now my rose water. One teaspoon of the rose water. Yes, 1 teaspoon is okay. Then I mix everything together thoroughly. I mix. Then I mix everything together just like this. This is my face serum. My face serum is ready. Very simple and easy to make. At the same time, very effective. I use this on my face personally, and I can testify to it that it will leave your face smooth and glowy. So now I'm going to transfer it into the storage bottle just like this. And here my face serum is ready. This is it. Very effective. All natural ingredients: aloe vera, almond oil, rose water and glycerine. So now you apply this to your skin after a face toner, then before your moisturizer, in between the face toner and your moisturizer. You apply face serum after using a face toner. Then after the serum, you apply your face cream to it. Do this every evening before bedtime, and you see the results very soon. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. Thank you so much. Feel free to share this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.